King Louis XIV was the most powerful man in Europe. His ministers and nobles would spend days preparing arguments, explaining, persuading. They'd organize everything perfectly. Then Louis would listen and say nothing. No reaction, no expression, just dead silence. After all that effort, all that nervousness, he'd say, "I shall see," and walk away. Days later, he'd make his decision, without any discussion. And nobody knew what he was actually thinking. Why this matters? This is a masterclass in power. Power isn't about talking the most. Authority isn't about explaining yourself. Control isn't about convincing people. It's the opposite. When his ministers talked, they revealed everything. Their fears, their ambitions, their weaknesses, what they actually cared about, what would scare them. Louis? He revealed nothing. The person who talks the most loses information. The person who stays silent collects it. Let's break down the 5 powerful rules that were used by the king. Rule 1. Silence creates mystery. When you don't speak, people can't predict you. They can't manipulate you based on your reactions. People were constantly nervous around Louis because they could never read him. That nervousness is power. Rule 2. Rare words have more weight. Louis said almost nothing, so when he did speak, people listened. Compare that to someone who talks constantly. Their words become noise. But 4 words from Louis XIV, those changed empires. Scarcity creates value. Rule 3. Silence forces others to reveal themselves. When you ask a question and stay silent, people fill the void. They talk too much. They panic and expose themselves. This is why the best negotiators talk the least. Rule 4. You can't be manipulated if people don't know what you want. Louis never showed his hand. Nobody could tell him what he wanted to hear, because they had no idea what that was. Transparency sounds good in theory, but in a power game, it's a vulnerability. Rule 5. Strategic silence takes self-control. This wasn't natural for Louis. He trained himself. He practiced staying quiet. He built discipline. Being around someone like Louis was exhausting. People were constantly trying to read him, never sure where they stood. But here's the truth. Power is not comfortable. So, how you can use these rules in your daily life. In negotiations, ask questions. Then stop talking. Let them fill the silence. With difficult people, don't explain or defend yourself. Say less, not more. When you're unsure, stay quiet. Don't reveal your uncertainty. When manipulated, be silent. Don't react immediately. The person who needs the other person to understand loses power. The person who doesn't care keeps it. Most people think power comes from talking, explaining, convincing. But the most powerful people in any room are usually the ones listening. Louis XIV had armies behind him. You might not. So you need mystery. You need discipline. You need the ability to stay quiet when everyone expects you to speak. Master that, and nobody will ever have complete control over you again. Subscribe for more on power, psychology, and influence. And comment. What's the most powerful person you know? Are they a talker or a listener?